Hey guys, it's me, Dashima, and I'm going to be demonstrating a very powerful way to learn how to get into handstand, and I call it donkey kicks. It's actually an exercise that will build the strength that you need to be able to do handstand, and so it's the shoulders, the upper back, the chest, and the core strength specifically. And how we start is in downward facing dog pose. So you're going to get down on the hands and knees and press your legs straight into downward dog. Fingers spread nice and wide, palms are shoulder distance apart, and you press your hips straight up to the sky. Your legs are straight and the heels are grounding into the earth. We're going to lift the heels, bend the knees, and press the chest back into the thighs. Look forward between the hands and really locking the shoulder blades down your back, ground into the hands. You're going to sink the hips and pounce forward, right? So this is the first step. You're just going to put all the weight into your hands, shift the weight to your hands, and lift your hips. And then as you kind of get comfortable with that movement, we're going to lift the legs. So it goes up, extend, bend, down. You want to do it as graceful as possible. Just up, extend, bend, down. And if you're able to float for just a few seconds like that, you'll start to feel what it's like to be in handstand, and that will allow you to build up to handstand practice. So this is a great way, if you're new to handstand, to get into it. Now most of my students, when they're starting out, they look kind of like this. So it's like this, just kind of kicking one leg, and then these. So you just gotta kind of feel into it. You'll notice that as you practice, it will become more natural feeling. At first it's a little awkward, but it's that rocking forward, so you shift